Hi, welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. I'm Jim. I'm here with you today to demonstrate one of our two-jaw gripping tools, which will be used to pick up large grinding wheels. First thing you'll want to do is bring your tool down the delving pad, let it bottom out, making sure your fixed jaw touches the grinding wheel first. Simply hit the clamp button and you're safe to raise. This system has a incremental tilt function, which allows you to increment your rotation to whatever position you need it, which is a really nice feature in both directions. And it also has an incremental unclamp, which you have to depress the common trigger as you're depressing the unclamp button. This system has 359 degrees of rotation. It is mounted to one of our rigid column lifters on a 10-foot jib, which has 360 degrees of rotation. Thanks for watching. For more product videos or any information on Aimco Manufacturing, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com. Thank you.